If you're lucky, something will come into your life that will forever change it for the better. That something for me was West Virginia University. My name is Angela Lee, and I currently attend WVU as a multidisciplinary studies major, and I plan on graduating this December. So college is on everyone's mind as a junior and senior in high school. I have personally visited a handful of colleges, and none of them really sparked my interest. But one day I decided to follow my dad to Morgantown, West Virginia, where he had a business meeting. I knew WVU had a reputation as a party school, which was one of the reasons why I didn't want to consider applying. But I definitely judged the book by its cover. The scenic route through the mountains and forest was one of the very first things that caught my attention. The state of West Virginia as a whole is like a new world compared to where I was from. And the second I stepped on campus, there was a feeling of comfort for me, and it felt like home. So while my dad was in his meeting, I decided to wander around the downtown campus, and I eventually got lost and had to ask a couple people for directions, and I was really shocked by how friendly everybody was. Out of all the campuses that I visited, I do think that WVU had to be one of the most beautiful campuses I've seen because of their historical buildings, the mountains, the rivers, you name it, everything else. I fell in love with the state. So when it was time to drive back home, I hesitated to ask my dad and thought thoroughly what his response would be if I were to ask about applying to WVU, let alone attend this school. Eventually, I did, and I was very shocked by his response. He was all up for it. I was super excited, so as soon as I got home, I submitted my application. Then a few weeks later, I was accepted to become a new Mountaineer. And in August 2015, I was a freshman at WVU. And now 3 years have passed, but my feelings for the state remains the same. If anything, I love it even more. I can go hours and hours and hours talking about the things I love here. For example, like the school spirit. I bet you can't name a school with more pride than WVU. You can actually feel it radiating from the fans when we scream the Let's Go Mountaineers chant during sport events. WVU is huge on sports, which is always a plus in my book, particularly football and basketball. It's one of the most fun and exciting experiences that you'll ever have, and there's nothing like it than singing Country Roads at the end of the game after a big win. Most importantly, I found my passion for English and political science and made lifelong friends, and that is why I strive hard to achieve my new goal, to go to law school. At the end, I could have either loved it or hated this university, but I made it my everything, and it became a home away from home. I will always remember everything it gave to me and all of the sweet memories I will forever cherish. Thank you.